Hello everyone, today I'll show you how you can create a customer list audience on Snapchat. You are probably already familiar with this screen, and from here you can click on the left top corner where it says manage ads, and we're going to click on audiences. Here on audiences you will see all the audiences you have created. I have created these today, so they don't have even the number of people they can reach. But what we want to do here is click on new audience and then custom audience. We're going to click then on customer list. And here for the customer list, you need to keep one thing in mind. You cannot simply upload a list that has phone numbers, emails, and mobile ad IDs. You need to either have a list with emails or one with phone numbers or one with mobile ad IDs. And you can either upload a file or just copy and paste everything here. And in this example, what I would do is just upload an email list. I already have the file, so I'm just going to drag and drop it here. And I'm going to call this email list 2021 April. So I know when was the last time this list got updated. The data type we're working with is email, and the system can already recognize that automatically. And you can type the description. So here I'm just going to type so this is the description I've chose. And now the lines are going to be processed. So I have uploaded a list with 196 contacts. That means that unlike Facebook or Google, you don't have to have 1,000 customers on the list to advertise on Snapchat. If you have any doubts, feel free to drop me a DM. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please share this video.